Now, Amelia, you mustn't give way. We all have to die sometimes or other.
Well, Elizabeth, it's taken you a long time to be here.
Oh, I couldn't do it. I really couldn't do it.
Couldn't do it? What?
I couldn't start without getting the morning.
By the way, we have ordered up. We never buy fancy and ready-made things.
No, for myself it's such a relief to be into black. Now will you tell us what did the doctor say?
Oh, doctor have not been near yet.
Not been near?
You should have sent Henry at once.
Oh, of course I did. Do you think me a fool? I sent Henry for a doctor, but he was not there.
You should have looked for another, Aunt Eliza.
Oh yes, it's a deadly mistake.
Shut up, Elizabeth. What could a doctor have done?
Look at the many cases of person being restored after they were thought to be dead.
That's when they have been drowned. Your father wasn't drowned, Elizabeth.
There mustn't much fear. If there was one thing he couldn't bear, it was water.
Ben!
Well, after that, father left soon in the morning after breakfast to pay his insurance.
I promise, it's a good thing he did.
Well, after that, father went in his room and to sleep. I thought to take something on a tray because he denied to have dinner with us. And when I went to his room and put the tray on I mean to say the chest of the drawer, and after that I saw him, he was so cold, as if the whole world.
Well, leave all these things. Let us make a thing of valuable things and decide who takes what.
That's a good idea, Henry.
But there is no short of jewelries.
Except his gold watch, he promised to our Jimmy.
Promised you, Jimmy? I never heard that.
Yes, he did, Amelia. When he was living with us, he was very fond of Jimmy.
Oh, but I never heard that.
Anyway, there's his insurance money. Have you got the receipt for the premium he paid this morning?
Oh, no, I haven't seen it.
But Mama, I want to say something. I don't think so he went to pay his insurance. I think he went to the church.
The church? The Ringo Bell? Maybe.
The Ringo Bell?
Yes, the public house.
Well, will you like to see the dead body of your father or let us take tea?
Well, if the kettle's ready, we shall have the tea first.
Vicky, go and bring the keys of bureau.
No, I won't go.
Why?
There's no one to hurt you. Go.
Well, Amelia, this bureau looks new. It's new since last I was here.
Henry bought it.
Oh, I like it. It's second. Oh, I like it. It's artistic. Did you buy it in an auction?
Yes, in auction.
Don't show ignorance, Ben. All artistic things are second hand.
What? Your grandpa is dead. Don't talk silly.
He's getting up.
Listen, somebody is coming.
Hello everyone. What's the matter with little Vicky? Ben and Lizzie? You're here for a long time.
Father? Is that really you?
What's your name, Amelia? Of course it's me, your father. Lizzie and Ben, you're here for a long time, but you don't seem to be happy by seeing me. Why is it so?
You surprised us, Father. Quite well.
Yeah, I'm quite good, but having a bit of headache.
Oh, Grandpa, I'm so glad that you are dead.
What? Who's gone dead?
No one, Father. She meant to say that she's sorry about your head.
Big K, you really care, but I'm fine better now. Anyway, I'm not able to find my slippers.
Father, we are really glad that you're
Anyway, why are my slippers? Give it back to me.
Father, I said him to wear those because they are so hard and strong. So it would be comfortable for you.
It's fine. By the way, why are you in black today? Is someone dead in our family?
Yes, Father.
Who's that?
In Ben's relation.
What relation did he had?
Brother.
Hang it, I never had one.
What was his name?
Frederick.
What kind of name is this?
Fedible Isaac.
Oh, Isaac. Where did he live?
In Australia.
Oh, so are you going to his funeral?
Oh yes.
No.
No, of course not.
Anyway, I guess you all have been waiting for me to begin a tea, as I'm feeling hungry.
Yes, Father. Henry, give him a tea.
Let's go to it. Let's go. Please ask me a question.
And could you see in here, Mr. Merriweather?
Actually, I don't remember anything saying particularly. Oh my God, where's my funeral god?
Father, please come with me. Father, is that your bureau?
Oh, that's it. It's mine. Even the clock is mine too. But what the hell is going on here? Can you tell me?
I'll tell you, Father, nothing short of robbery.
What? Who's being robbed?
Father and Henry and Amelia entered your room like a thief. They had stolen your clock and bureau after they thought you were dead.
But I'm not dead.
But they thought you were dead.
Oh, so that's why you are in black today. As it's a bit late to say you all that. None of you all care about me.
No, Father, it's not like that. Don't be harsh on us.
Of course, I don't want to be hard on anyone. Leave me alone. Now let me tell you my decision. That now I am going to alter my wills. And my property will go to someone with whom I will be staying my rest of the life till my last breath.
Father, you'll stay with us.
No, Father, it's quite time. Why don't you come to stay with us again? We'll make you very comfortable.
Stop fighting over my issues. I don't want to be hard on anyone. As I have planned the 3 things for the next Monday. As firstly, I'll be going to my lawyer and alter my wills. And secondly, I'll go to the insurance office and pay my premium. And thirdly and lastly, I'd like to welcome you all in my wedding ceremony at St. Philip's Church on 4 p.m.
What?
I'm going to get married
To whom?
to Mrs. John Xerox, who gives the ring of bells. Ding dong. Here she comes.
Hello everyone, how's my new family?
Oh, I love my new grandma.
Oh Apple, I need to go for shopping for our marriage.
Oh, let's go. But wait a moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cuisine, music, costumes, language, and wonderful dances of the state and important constituents of its rich and varied culture. The folk dance from West Bengal are known for their beauty and fervor.
The dance encyclopedia of this rich culture includes a wide variety within itself. Each region of the state has something different to exhibit. Altogether, it forms a wonderful combination of varied dance forms.
Here, some of the girls of middle section of our school are going to present a Bengali folk dance in front of you.